Today we are going over how to effectively do your Deneroll at home. So Dr. Pauline, or your chiropractor, would have shown you how to do this and where exactly it needs to be in relation to your cervical spine. So for Dr. Sadie here, it's on her lower cervical spine. She's slowly lowering herself down with her knees up. Now, the top of the traction unit, or the Deneroll, is just above what we call the C7 spinous. That's at the base of the shoulders, or the top of the shoulders, or at the base of the neck. Okay, we want the head hanging, nice and relaxed. Feel like gravity can take over there, but you still want space so the head's not touching the ground. If you open up your arms as well, you're going to get that pec stretch, similar to what we did with the traction over the edge of the bed. Make sure your lower spine is nice and flat, so it's not overarching. Having the knees up also assists with this. When we're coming up, it's really important to roll off to the side first. We don't want to undo all that great work we just did, and it can stretch the muscles or strain them after we've done all this nice deep stretch. So you want to make sure that flat edge goes towards the shoulders. They'll say shoulders go here, and then that's how you use your